Welcome to qnawire.
All right, here we have a function in blue. It's f of x equals x plus 3 over x plus 1. And our goal is to find the difference quotient in red, f of x minus f of 1 over x minus 1. So before we do that, let's go ahead and find the value of f of 1 ahead of time. So f of 1 is going to be the same as f of x, only x is replaced by 1. So we'll get 1 plus 3 in the numerator over 1 plus 1 in the denominator. So that gives us 4 over 2, which reduces down to 2. Okay, so f of 1 is 2. So let's go ahead and keep working with our difference quotient. F of x is given, so we'll just rewrite the fraction. And then we'll subtract off f of 1, which is simply 2. And we still divide by x minus 1. All right, the easiest way to clean up a fraction within a fraction is to multiply top and bottom by the denominator of the fraction. So we're going to go ahead and multiply both top and bottom, both our numerator and our denominator, by x plus 1. All right, excellent. All right, so when we do that, then we are going to basically distribute the x plus 1 to the fraction as well as to the minus 2. So let's go ahead and distribute it first to the fraction. That gives us x plus 3 over x plus 1 times x plus 1. And that's our first term distributed. Then our second term is twice x plus 1. Okay, and then the bottom, I'm going to leave it in factored form. You'll see why in a little bit, why I don't go ahead and FOIL. Okay, so let's notice that top and bottom, we get something cool in this term here. Notice that we have an x plus 1 term in the numerator and an x plus 1 term in the denominator. So those can be canceled. So let's see what we have left. Now we have just that first term is just x plus 3. The second term, I'm going to go ahead and distribute the minus 2 to both parts of the x plus 1. That will give me minus 2x minus 2. And that's all over x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, let's kind of clean up the top. We have, notice we have an x and a minus 2x, so I can subtract that to get minus x. We have plus 3 minus 2, so that gives me plus 1. And notice that's kind of similar to what we see in the bottom, but not quite right. So what I'm going to do is factor out a minus sign from the top. And notice when I do that, I get minus x minus 1 in the parenthesis. That allows us to cancel with that x minus 1 in the denominator. So this problem really cleans up nicely. So I'm going to go ahead then and cancel the x minus 1 top and bottom. And so therefore we get our final answer, minus 1 over x plus 1, as our simplified answer for our difference quotient. All right, hopefully that helped. Have an amazing day.